Welcome to Boise State's brand new Residence Hall, opening in fall of 2025. Located in the first-year village, this residence hall keeps you close to your classes, the quad, Albertsons library, and all the action at the Student Union building. Plus, it's the closest hall to Friendship Bridge, your gateway to Boise's parks and the city, just a 15-minute walk away. The rooms come with 2 beds and are just over 216 square feet, with large windows overlooking the Boise Greenbelt and beautiful skyline. Rooms are designed for comfort and connection, with space to make it your own. Each one additionally comes with a desk, chair, under-the-bed drawers, and closet space for each resident. Be sure to follow us on social media at Boise State Housing for the latest updates, and visit our website to learn more.